Trading is not hard. In fact, it is one of the simplest businesses in the world. But here's the truth no one wants to hear. Most of you are failing not because your strategy is bad. You are actually failing because of your behavior. And today I'm actually going to show you what is holding you back. If you fix these 5 things, your trading instantly changes. Not slowly, but instantly. Let's get into it. First, trading is a slow business. This is where a lot of traders collapse because almost everyone was programmed to believe if I sit on the charts every day, I should be making money every day. But that is a lie. The market doesn't pay you for showing up. It pays you only for precision. The best setups do not appear every day. Sometimes you wait 3 days, sometimes you wait a week, and sometimes even longer. But what do most people do? They get bored. And boredom in trading is dangerous because the moment you start getting bored, you start seeing setups that are not there. You start convincing yourself like, this looks close enough, and that is where losses begin. A professional trader takes long waiting than trading. If you cannot sit still, you will never make it in this business. The second thing, small capital is actually pushing you into bad behavior. This is the silent killer. When your trading account is small, you don't think clearly. You feel agents, you feel like I need to grow this fast. So what happens next? You overtrade, you increase lot sizes, you take setups that you do not normally take. Not because the system is bad, but because your account is controlling your emotions. You are no longer trading the market. You are now reacting to pressure, and pressure always leads to mistakes. So let me say this clearly. Small capital does not make you lose, but your reaction to small capital does. The third fact is unrealistic expectations. This one destroys almost everyone. You come into trading thinking, I can flip $100 to $10,000 quickly. I can quit my job in 2 months. I can trade every day and win. That mindset is already setting up you to fail because now every trade has pressure. Every loss feels like you're falling behind. Every week feels like you are not progressing enough. So what do you do next? You start forcing trades. You revenge trade after every loss. Sometimes you completely abandon your system, all because your expectations are not aligned with reality. Here's a small truth. Trading is a long-term skill, not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you treat it like gambling, the market will definitely treat you back like a gambler. Fourth, lifestyle pressure. This is something most people do not talk about. Everyone has bills, responsibilities, as well as family expectations. You are thinking, I need this trading to work, and that pressure starts leaking into your trading decisions. Now you are no longer trading anymore. You are actually trading needs. You need to pay something, or you need to prove something. You actually need that win. And the moment you need trading to work, you've already lost control. Because for this business to work, it requires detachment. You cannot trade properly when your survival depends on the outcome of one trade. That is the biggest reason why most people blow accounts. It's not because they are stupid, but because they are under pressure. Fifth, and this is a big one, you don't know when to stop. After losses, you keep on going. During no setups, you keep on looking for one. You do not have a pause button, and that is dangerous. Because a lot of people confuse trading as something that you just need to enter, but the real definition is to know when to participate. After 2 to 3 losses, your psychology is already affected, but instead of stopping, you try to fix it. You try to recover, and that is where most of your accounts, even from your history, were destroyed. Even during slow periods, you feel like you must be doing something, so you force trades. So here, listen carefully. Sometimes the best trade is no trade, and sometimes the best decision is to close the charts and walk away. So let me bring everything together. Trading is not hard because of a strategy. Most strategies work, but trading becomes hard because of 1, you cannot wait. 2, you cannot handle pressure. 3, you cannot control your expectation. 4, you cannot detach yourself from the outcome. 5, you don't know when to stop. These are the real problems that you might be facing in your trading. So what should you do? Start thinking like a professional. Accept that trading is slow. Treat your capital like it's already big. Lower your expectations starting from now. Remove lifestyle pressures from your charts, and most importantly, learn to stop. If you fix these 5 things, I promise you, your results will definitely change. Not because you found a new strategy, but because you've finally become a trader. Your strategy really needs you to be. On that note, we've come to the end of our today's video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and check out my free Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box below. See you on the next one.